Maine-Anjou Beef. Origin, France. Farmed in USA. Benefits, protein-rich, supports muscles, contains healthy minerals. Nutrients, protein, B12, iron, zinc, selenium. Piedmontese Beef. Origin, Italy, also in USA. Benefits, very lean, low cholesterol, high protein. Nutrients, protein, iron, B12, zinc, phosphorus. Salers Beef. Origin, France, USA farms. Benefits, lean protein, supports heart and muscle health. Nutrients, protein, iron, B12, zinc, phosphorus. Murray Grey Beef. Origin, Australia, USA farms. Benefits, lean, protein-rich, supports muscle and energy. Nutrients, protein, B12, iron, zinc, selenium. Basmati Rice. Origin, India, Pakistan. Benefits, low glycemic index, supports digestion, aromatic flavor. Nutrients, carbohydrates, protein, small amounts of fiber, B vitamins.